Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage feel cozy home interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage feel cozy home interior decor brings together the timeless charm of the past and the comforting warmth of a lived-in home. It creates a welcoming atmosphere through antique-inspired furniture, soft fabrics, warm colors, natural materials, and nostalgic decorative accents. From delicate floral patterns and aged wooden pieces to cozy lighting and layered textiles, every detail adds character and personality. This style is perfect for anyone who wants their home to feel peaceful, charming, nostalgic, and beautifully connected to the past. Here are some detailed tips for these ideas. First, choose a warm color palette. Soft muted shades work beautifully in a vintage cozy interior. Try cream, warm beige, dusty blue, shiz cream, muted pink, vivid yellow, and soft brown. Next, add aged wooden furniture. Wooden furniture with a slightly worn or distressed finish can instantly create vintage character. Look for old style cabinets, wooden side tables, dressers, bookshelves, and dining tables. Next, layer different textures. Cozy interiors become more inviting when several textures are combined. Use knitted blankets, linen curtains, embroidered cushions, cotton quads, oven baskets, and soft rugs. Decorate with vintage accessories. Small decorative objects can give the room a nostalgic personality. Use vintage clocks, ceramic vases, old books, brass candle holders, framed artwork, and decorative trays are excellent choices. Use floral and classic patterns. Use floral prints, ticks, stripes, torn-inspired patterns, and delicate botanical designs can enhance the vintage atmosphere. Use them on cushions, curtains, upholstery, wallpaper, or bedding. Create a cozy reading corner. A comfortable armchair beside a small wooden table can make an inviting vintage corner. Add a soft throw, a floor lamp, a stack of books, and a small vase of flowers. Bring in soft lighting. Lighting plays an important role in creating a cozy mood. Choose warm-toned lamps, fabric shades, table lamps, and gentle accent lighting instead of relying on the on-bright overhead lights. Use deeply meaningful collections. Vintage decor looks especially charming when objects are displayed as collections. Arrange old books, ceramics, photographs, glass bottles, or small antiques on shelves and cabinets. Add natural elements. Use fresh flowers, dried flowers, potted greenery, wicker baskets, wooden accessories, and natural fabrics. Help soften the room and complement the vintage aesthetic. Keep it personal. The most beautiful vintage inspired rooms don't look like showroom displays. Mix old looking pieces with personal belongings, handmade items, family photographs, and objects that have sentimental value. The main idea is to create a space that feels collected rather than perfectly massed, warm, nostalgic, comfortable, and full of character. Use vintage-inspired curtains. Choose lightweight linen, cotton, lace, or floral curtains to give windows a soft and nostalgic appearance. Slightly gathered curtains can make the room feel more relaxed and romantic. Create a charming entryway. A small wooden bench, a vintage mirror, coat hooks, oven basket, and a little vase of flowers can turn an ordinary entryway into a welcoming vintage corner. Use vintage-style wall decor. Decorate walls with botanical prints, landscape paintings, antique-style frames, old clocks, or collections of small artwork. Mixing different frames style can create an authentic collected look. Add a vintage rug, a faded or traditional style rug can instantly make a room feel warmer and more established. Choose patterns with slightly muted colors rather than overly bright designs. Stand open shelves. Open wooden shelves are perfect for displaying vintage crockery, books, ceramics, glassware, and small plants. Avoid filling every space. Leaving some breathing room keeps the display attractive. Incorporate wicker and rattan. Use wicker baskets, rattan chairs, oven trays, and natural storage spaces and texture while maintaining the relaxed character of the style. Choose comfortable upholstery. Look for sofas and chairs with rounded shapes, soft upholstery, and traditional details. Layer them with cushions and straws to make the sitting area extra inviting. Add a touch of patina. Slightly used finishes on wood, metal, and ceramics can give furniture more character. The goal is a naturally owned appearance rather than making everything look artificially old. Decorate with mirror. An antique style mirror with a wooden brush or distress frame can become a beautiful focal point. It can also help reflect light and make a cozy room feel more spacious. Bring vintage charm into the bedroom. Use an upholstered headboard, floral bedding, wooden bedside tables, soft coils, and warm bedside lighting. A few carefully chosen decorative pieces can make the bedroom feel beautiful and nostalgic. Make the kitchen feel vintage. Use ceramic jars, wooden cutting boards, open shelvings, patterned tea towels, glass containers, and vintage-inspired dishes. Small details can create a cozy old-fashioned kitchen atmosphere without sacrificing modern functionality. Mix old and new. You don't need every item to be antique. Combine modern comforts with vintage-inspired furniture and accessories so the home remains practical while retaining its nostalgic character. Use handmade details like crochet blankets, embroidered cushions, knitted shawls, handmade pottery, and oven decorations can make the space feel more personal and charming. Create a collected of a time look instead of buying matching furniture sets. Combine pieces with different shapes, materials, and finishes. This creates the impressions that the room has evolved naturally over many years. Focus on comfort. Above all, vintage cozy decor should feel comfortable rather than formal. Soft setting, warm lighting, practical storage, pleasant textures, and personal decorations help create a home that feels genuinely lived in. Use a vintage-inspired fireplace. A traditional fireplace or a vintage-style mantle can become the heart of a cozy living room. Decorate it with candles, framed artwork, ceramic pieces, or a small arrangement of flowers. Add antique-style lighting, pendant lights, brush lamps, lantern-style fixtures, and classic candelabras can bring an elegant old-world feeling. Choose warm lighting to make the room feel softer and more intimate. Decorate with ceramic pieces. Vintage-style ceramic plates, pitchers, bowls, and vases can add beautiful handcrafted character. Display them on shelves, cabinets, or dining tables, rather than keeping everything hidden away. Introduce soft floral arrangements. Fresh and jet flowers can enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Place them in ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, or vintage-style vases for a simple countryside-inspired touch. Choose classic furniture shapes. Furniture with turn-legs, curved-edged, curved details, or traditional silhouettes can still change the vintage appearance. Even on statement plates can give a modern room a more timeless personality. Create a cozy coffee table. Use a wooden or distressed coffee table and style it with a small tray, a few books, a ceramic vase, and a candle. Keep the arrangement simple so it remains practical. Add decorative trunks and boxes. Old-fashioned trunks, wooden chests, and decorative boxes can provide both storage and visual interest. They work especially well at the foot of a bed or beneath a console table. Use windows-inspired wallpaper, subtle floral, botanical, dynamics, or small patterns. Wallpaper can add depth to a room. If you prefer a quieter look, use it on just on accent wall. Incorporate brushed and edged metal. Use brass handles, candle holders, picture frames, mirrors, and small decorative objects. Add warmth and an elegant finish touch. Edged finishes usually look more natural than highly polished metal. Make the dining area cozy. A solid wooden dining table paired with comfortable chairs can create a welcoming gathering space. Add a fabric table genre, simple ceramic dishes, flowers, and warm pendant lighting. Use layered bedding. In the bedroom, combine cotton shades, quilts, knitted blankets, and decorative cushions. Mixing subtle patterns and textures gives the bed that relaxed, nostalgic appearance. Add a vintage vanity, a small dressing table with a traditional mirror, ceramic container, perfume bottles, and a delicate lamp can create a charming bedroom corner. Embrace imperfection. Small scratches, faded finishes, uneven textures, and signs of age can actually make vintage decor more attractive. These imperfections give furniture and accessories a sense of history. Keep the space balanced. Vintage decor can become cluttered if too many accessories are used. Choose meaningful pieces and allow some empty space so each item can contribute to the overall cozy atmosphere. In the end, vintage cozy decorating is about creating a home with warmth, nostalgia, texture, and personality. The best spaces combined old-world charm with modern comfort, making every room feel welcoming and lived in. Add a vintage console table. Place a narrow wooden console table behind a sofa or against an empty wave wall. Decorate it with a table lamp, framed artwork, a ceramic vase, and a small stack of books. Two soft upholstered chairs, an armchair covered in linen, cotton, velvet, or a subtle floral fabric can make a room feel instantly warmer. Look for rounded backs, wooden legs, and traditional silhouettes. Use quilts as a decorative piece. A handmade or patchwork quilt can be folded over a chair, sofa, or bed. Besides adding warmth, its different patterns and textures create a nostalgic handmade feeling. Style a vintage bookshelf. Fill wooden shelves with old-looking books, small pottery pieces, framed photographs, candles, and greenery. Arrange items at different heights to make the display feel natural. Add lace details. Lace can bring a delicate traditional touch to the interior. Use it simply on curtains, table channels, cushion covers, lampshades, or small decorative accents. Create a window set if space allows. Turn a wide windowsill or a small bench into a cozy sitting area. Add a cushion, soft throw, and a few pillows for a peaceful place to read or relax. Use traditional tableware. Vintage-inspired plates, teacups, serving bowls, and glassware can make the dining and kitchen areas feel charming. Display especially beautiful pieces on open shelves or inside glass-bound cabinets. Decorate with wooden frames. Wooden frames in different finishes can make artwork and photographs feel more authentic. Combine small and large frames to create a relaxed gallery wall. Add a classic area of greenery. Plants can soften the harder lines of furniture and accessories. Place them in terracotta pots, ceramic planters, wicker baskets, or vintage-style containers. Let the home feel lived in. Don't try to make every corner perfectly styled. A blanket casually dropped over a chair, books left on a table, or flowers in a simple vase can make the interior feel comfortable and authentic. The beauty of Wintersville cozy decor comes from combining nostalgia with everyday comfort rather than simply filling a room with old-looking objects. Focus on creating a warm atmosphere where pictures, memories, craftsmanship, and personal details naturally come together. Remember, you don't need everything to be perfectly matched. Let your personality and favorite pieces shine through. With thoughtful details and a touch of creativity, any home can become a cozy retreat that feels welcoming, peaceful, and beautifully lived in. Thanks for watching this video.